Hello everyone. So now we can start the project presentation for the machine learning. So you can start.
Yes, hello sir. I am Aditi with my team members Tanuja, Nikhil, and Abhishek, and we are going to present our project on Ayurvedic dosha prediction using machine learning. So, before moving to the technical aspects, let me briefly explain about what dosh means in Ayurveda. So, according to ancient Ayurvedic science, every human being is made up of three fundamental energies, which is called as dosh, Vat, Pitta, and Kalpa. These dosh represent the combination of natural elements and controls of physical and mental characteristics. So, Vata is formed by air, space, and it represents the movement, energy, and creativity of the people. So, the people with the dosh are usually energetic, talkative, and imaginative, but they may face the anxiety or regular routines. Pitta is a combination of fire and water, so it governs the digestion, intelligence, and transformation. And Pitta dominant peoples are focused and sharp minded, but may be tempered and impatient. Kapha is made up of earth and water, and it provides the strength, calmness, and it recommend the people to be careful and peaceful, but it may tend to be lazy or emotional. So to identifying a person dominant with which dose, Ayurveda help us, but it is the manual process. So by our project, we are going to uh, use machine learning to make this process automated by the AI. So the main objective of our project is to identify the automated, accurate, and data-driven uh, solution for this problem, and find the physical and behavioral traits of the person, such as body type, sleep pattern, and predict which dominant dosh for that particular person. Next slide will be explained by Nikhil.
Yes, Nikhil, go ahead. Nikhil, you are on mute. Are you speaking?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
So, sir, our data set is Ayurvedic Dosha data set, dose data set. So, we have taken this data set from Kaggle. Our data set contains 5,000 rows and 26 columns, which is 26 features. So, our 26 features are of our body. Uh, they include three categories, that is physical traits, which takes our body frame, hair type, skin tone, then nails color, etc. Then our behavioral traits like sleep pattern, mood, hunger, etc. Then target variable is dose. So dose that we have pitta, vata or kapha. So next slide. Methodology. So first we have done data pre-processing. After collecting the data set from Kaggle, all the 26 features was categorical columns. So we have converted them to numerical by using label encoding. Then handling missing values. There was no missing values in the data set. After that, after the pre-processing process, we have built a model which is random forest classifier. Why we chosen this? Because we have tested multiple models, but this random forest classifier gives more accuracy. We have split the data into 80-20 ratio. 80% we have used for training and 20% we have used for testing. Then in third step, evaluation matrix. After the model is trained, we have tested accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 square. So next slide we explain by Tanuja.
So we have used random forest classifier. It is an ensemble learning model in which multiple decision trees are used for the accuracy. Means it is a combination of multiple decision tree which gives the more accurate result. So our accuracy for this model was 82.4%. So there were some key observations, like our model has predicted the pitta as more confidence, means more confidently, because it has the, like in Vat column, like we can we in next slide we can. So in the Vat, zero represent Vat, one represent Pitta, and two represent Kapha. So in this, the recall was 0.48%, because there were less number of Kapha data. So if we increase the data set, it will be increases. So precision, in precision, it defines that how accurate the model predict, means from all the data set how the model predict. And in recall it means it will how from that all correct how actually are correct, means how are actually correct, positive value, it means recall. And F1 score is the combination of precision and recalls, it balance the both. And here supports in which there are the how many data we have given of, like of what we have given for one data, 441 data in this way.
Okay, so here I have one question, Tanuja. Just like
Yes, sir.
for different classes, different precision and recall is there. So I just
Yes,
want to
sir.
understand in this, for which particular class our model is best.
So Pitta.
Miss, tell me in the label format because I don't know. I forgot the what is Kapitvat here in the label form 012.
Wat, Pitta, and Kapha.
Arey, tell me number
One one.
Zero, one, sir, for
for
Pitta, one.
one. It's a maximum. Okay, okay,
Yes.
fine, it's correct. Go ahead.
Sir, next slide will be explained by Abhishek.
The next slide is about the conclusion. As machine learning can be used to predict a person those by studying their bodies and behavior. This combines Ayurveda and artificial intelligence to help people stay healthy and balanced in a natural way. As in future scope, we can integrate like as adding image based by studying the face, tongue or skin tone to more accurate result. And we can build like as AI chatbot and mobile app for a user can easily get willingness tips and those report anytime. That's all about.
Okay, so show me yeah implementation part. So first show me the data set, then show me the code base, then in the last show me the implementation, miss UI, miss result.
So this is our data set, which take the 25 parameters from body frame, type of hair, then color of
20
hair, skin type.
Aditi, it's a 25 or 26?
26.
Because you have
Sir,
mentioned
means
that.
there are 25 columns for values and 26th column is of like
Okay,
prediction.
means input parameter is 25 and output parameter is 1. Yes. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, got it. So let's move for the result.
So this is our UI where we have to give the answer of 25 questions. First one is body frame,
First,
where we have to select medium,
Aditi,
thin, or
just cross this particular window which is pop up for the video, so that we can see whole. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
yes. So first question is body frame, like your body is medium, thin, or well built. So well built. Then type of hair, dry, greasy, or normal. Then color of hair, skin, dry, moist, or soft. Then complexion, dark, glowing, or pinkish.
Okay.
Then
Glowing.
body weight,
Okay. Go ahead.
then nails, size and color of teeth,
So you are taking all the good parameter, good value for
Yes,
the.
sir. It takes all 25 parameters
Yes, yes.
as input.
so performing of work, mental activity, then memory, good memory, long term or short term, then sleep pattern, weather condition like which weather we dislike, then what is our reaction, then mood, eating habit, then hunger, body temperature, then nature, body energy, quality of voice, dreams.
Wait here. I just want to understand. Dreams is go back previous one. You in the dream section you have mentioned three type, that is fire, sky,
Yes,
and water. So what do you mean by in the dream this will come or what?
yes,
Yes, sir. So it's possibility that in our dream we can see water or sky or fire like this.
Okay.
So
So
it depends on our body nature. So which dream we will come.
suppose these are options are not coming in my dreams. So in my
So
dream it's coming just like houses or buildings are coming.
sir,
So
so we can give a sky. It means calm.
go ahead next.
then social relations like ambivert, extrovert, or introvert, then body odor. So it said that I had dosh of Pitta, which means that my body and mind are predominantly governed by the Pitta dosh, and it recommend me to massage with the coconut oil, then drink coconut oil, cucumber, then cool water, and I have to make the anger management practices.
Go down a little bit. You have mentioned understanding the three dosas. Okay. Go more.
It means which dosh means what.
Okay.
Like Vata governs the movement and communication. Like the people who are having Vata are creative, energetic, and quick
Got it.
thinking.
In the PPT only you have mentioned. Okay, go to the
Yes.
slide PPT. Open the accuracy slide. Previous one. Previous.
This.
Yes, this one. Yes, here it is mentioned for the class 0 support is 441. What is the meaning of this? What is your understanding about 441?
Sir, supports means number of means how many actual input we have given to it.
How many actual input is given to this means what?
Sir, input parameters
How many rows are there? Can you show me?
means for those for Pitta, how many input columns were there? Like how many input
Okay, show me the rows. How
for
many?
particular.
Yeah, in previous slide somewhere it is mentioned how many rows were there. Don't show me data set. Show me somewhere you have mentioned how many rows are there. I think Nikhil have mentioned how many rows are there. Who have mentioned? Go to the previous slide. It's mentioned how many rows are there. Not this one. Go back.
Yes, sir. There are
Yes,
5,000 rows.
5,000
Five
rows.
times.
Okay. Now go to the accuracy slide. Yes. Tell me now. What is the meaning of 441?
Sir, means how many actual samples we have given to this for test data set.
No.
So,
So let me tell you. So it's 441 means just like how many rows are there where zero label is there, and in those how many times it is supporting to the class. Just like zeros rows are uh, in the total rows, just like 5,000 rows are there. In 5,000 rows, suppose 1,000 is zero. It is belonging to zero class. So in that, how many times it's giving the support for correctness. That is what. Okay. Okay. So yes, it's a really amazing project. Why it's amazing? Because you are taking the that particular project, which is our traditional, I can say, not culture, traditional system for the Ayurveda means medicine industry, which have been followed earlier, but nowadays people are not following. People are taking English medicine, or you can say allopathic. But yes, it is also in the background. Yes, in the allopathic is not permanent solution, it's a temporary solution. But yes, if you are following the Ayurvedic system, it's a permanent. It will cure the disease permanent on the permanent basis. But yes, you have done fantastic job, so that people can know about how each and every parameter are belonging to cup with vat. And you have mentioned also, if you are, if any symptoms means your, if you have a high cough or cup high pit, so what are the treatment, or what are the natural things you have to take. So it's a really amazing. Please, I will recommend you make the interactive application for it and launch it, so that it will be helpful for all the person. Okay, so any doubt, any question from your side for me? Okay, if not,
No, sir.
yes, yes, please. Do you have? No, sir. Okay, fine. So thank you so much